Hey, this is John Crowley from UTV Guide out here in Glamis, California, home of the Imperial Sand Dunes, and we've got our Polaris RZR XP Turbo S Velocity. So we've done a few things to our Velocity RZR here to bring it out and make it better suited for the dunes. The first thing is we've got a set of 32-inch sand tires from Fullerton Sand Sports. These came out just last year, and they're a great big tire for this type of a car that needs a 32-inch tire. They've got a directional paddle that you can actually change on the fronts to either have a little bit more pull or less pull, and the rears are a standard paddle, and it increases the track width from 72 inches out to about 83 in the rear and about 79 in the front. So the other thing we've done to the Velocity RZR here is we're working with Walker Evans, and we've taken their Velocity shocks, and they have been testing their dual rate setup on these shocks with full crossovers. So you get the tunability of a crossover type setup with different springs on it. Gives you a little bit more plush ride in the initial setup and gives you a little bit stronger bump zone.